Internal thoracic vein. 5 questions and answers. What is the internal thoracic vein also known as? The internal thoracic vein is also known as the internal mammary vein. What does the internal thoracic vein drain? The internal thoracic vein drains the chest walls and breasts. Which vein gives rise to the internal thoracic vein? The internal thoracic vein arises from the superior epigastric vein. Does the internal thoracic vein accompany the internal thoracic artery along its course? Yes, the internal thoracic vein accompanies the internal thoracic artery along its course. How does the internal thoracic vein terminate? The internal thoracic vein ends by connecting to the brachiocephalic vein.